What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do my foundation routine in 5 minutes. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to turn my timer on. And, alright, 5 minutes, let's roll. Okay, so first, little setting spray. I've already put on my sunscreen. And I don't use a primer because I just feel like my makeup slips off of it. So I don't really like to use that. So then I'm going to take my foundation. My MAC Cosmetics. I like a full coverage foundation. I know it's not everyone's preference, but for me, I like that. And I'm going to take a big fluffy brush. Dab some in, not all of it, just a little bit. And just kind of concentrate it on the sides of my face because I know I'm going to go in with concealer. And make sure to drag it down your neck. Ooh, make sure to drag it down your neck. Alright, next step. Concealer. I'm just going to be taking my Bye Bye Cosmetics medium. Just going on the back of my hand again. I'm going to take a littler buffer brush. And tap it in. And a little bit above the eyebrows too. And just bring it down. Oh my goodness. 2 minutes left! Alright. Now we're going to take our luminous bronzer today. Bah! I'll list all the products in the description below and a huge fluffy brush. Minutes left. Alright. Alright, some setting powder. I'm going to be using my Dermablend and another buffer brush. And just go underneath your eyes and pat it on your eyes. And forehead. That's where I mostly get oily. And then you gotta add a little highlighter in there for your cheekbones. So I'm gonna go in with my Sarcophagus, the usual. And another buffer brush. And just hit the cheekbones. And with my last... Oh, I have a minute left. Cool. Maybe I'll grab some blush. And just using my bronzer brush again. And another big fluffy brush and blend everything out. And you know what? I might go with a little bit more bronzer. Because I've got, 17 seconds left. 15, 10, I made it. Ooh, look at that dirty ass phone. So pretty much I would use this if I had woken up from a nap before I had to go to work and woke up late. So super quick, healthy skin pretty much. I like everything to be glowy, not too matte. So yeah, that is my 5-minute foundation routine if you're in a hurry, woke up from a nap like me, or you just like to be really quick with your makeup. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. If you like these type of like 5-minute videos, just let me know in the comments below. All right, have a great rest of your day. Thank you.